doing a really cool video today. So I'm going to be trying out the True Glow skincare treatment brush from Conair, and this is what it looks like. You guys see, it's a 3-in-1 brush, and it's a sonic brush, which means that it is going to do all of the work that you need on your face. I mean, it literally has foundation, a cleansing brush, and an eye brush, like an eye massaging brush. So that's really cool. It has the steps on here, step 1, step 2, and step 3. I will not be following those steps, mainly because of the fact that I literally don't follow any instructions ever, and that's so wrong to do, but it's just the truth. So I'm going to get started with this. I'm going to do this as a foundation brush today, so I'm going to do that, and then I will give you guys an update on how I like the other two. Keep watching to see if you enjoy something like this. I think it's going to be super fun. This brush was only $20. Hello, I just realized that this brush is actually $22.24. I used a coupon at Ulta, so you'll see the price difference. Really sorry about that. And you get 3 attachments. And all you need is a AAA battery. It's water resistant. I mean, honestly, a steal. Okay, so I've got this little guy out. This is what it comes with just by itself, and you put the battery in. Well, it's on because I pressed it, but normally okay, there we go. You twist it the other way and it comes out like this, and then you put the battery in like this and you twist it. It won't stop cutting on. You push it down and twist it the other way. There we go. That was a lot. And then this is a foundation brush. It's really nice. I like it. And then you just attach this to this like this. It goes like that. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and like put primer on and everything, and then use this to put on my foundation. I do my face, that's why I'm zooming in. I keep looking this way into my viewfinder, and so if you see me looking this way, it's because I'm looking at my viewfinder. I need to like find a way that I can I don't know how to do that, but we'll figure it out. I need like a monitor on top. I'm gonna get that. I'm speaking it into existence. And I've got the CoverGirl Matte Made foundation. This stuff is really good. It's a comfort matte and it's transfer resistant. Okay, so I put some on there. It looks kind of like brownies. That's funny. I love brownies. Like this video if you like brownies. So I'm just gonna use this to put on my foundation. It fits under the eyes well. Is it blended though? It feels like a normal brush. I don't know if it's blending that well. Let me look in the mirror. This is a lot of foundation. I didn't mean to put that much on one side. I feel like I put too much on one side, but I like the way that this is blended though. Look at it. Make sure I get my neck. Look, it's good, right? Like, I like the finish of it. I'm gonna do this because Is it smearing? I don't like the sound of this brush. It's very loud. Okay, I'm gonna put some more on because we're gonna cut it off real quick so I can put some more on. I'm having to talk a little louder because this brush is so loud. That's the only bad side to this, is how loud it is. But like, application wise, this is like not a lot of foundation on this side and there's none on my forehead. But look at that. Oh, I like it. Okay. I put too much on. Put some on my forehead before I continue. Okay. Oh. How do we feel? Do you guys think this looks good? Goodness. Every time I do a video, I end up dropping stuff all over the place and then I'm like frantic. I think this looks good. I'd still probably go over it with a sponge just for my preference, but I think that this like is acceptable. Like, I think this actually could pass. Like, it looks really blended, and like obviously you can't just go in circles and expect it to blend, but like once you like move it around like you would your normal brush, I think it's doing a great job, like a wonderful job of blending. And it's taking a little more time because I'm being careful and also recording a video, but like I really like this actually. Wow. Okay. What do you guys think? I'm gonna zoom in. I like it. I'm not normally the person to be like, you need to go out and get this brush, it's the most amazing brush, you know, you just really need it. But like, I really like this, and I like that it comes with this thing, because you get this and you get it. Remember that thing I couldn't take off earlier? It came off now. Wow, when I didn't need it to come off. And you get this, which is, hello, focus, focus, focus. There we go. And you get this. And you get a face wash brush too. I really like it. I think that people should go out and buy it. It's only $20 and you get, it just cut on again. It's only $20 and you get 3 brush heads. Ooh. I'm just kidding. That was funny. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so glad that we found like a yes in this. This is sunshine approved. I'm super happy. Sunny days, man. I love when we find good products. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below for my next one. All right, bye. My thumbnail. Drop my mirror. My goodness. My good. I'm just gonna Oh, I forgot. I'm almost out of this. I always run out of stuff.